All right, let me share the screen, right? And we'll continue that assignment which we were doing. And it was a building, basically a control floor, right? Is the screen visible? Alden, Naveed,
Yes, sir.
please confirm the.
Yes, well.
Okay. So this was the building. Okay, I mean this was the plan, AutoCAD plan, and we inserted that plan, and then we started modeling as well. Okay, we modeled up to story 6, right? And so this was level 2, level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, this is crop region. We can always adjust. We can always adjust this. We go to the properties. This is the properties palette on the left hand side. If you uncheck this crop view, crop region, so it will be gone. Your extent will increase. Okay, it is just like a crop view of something. If you own this, check this, then you will have the crop region visible. These are the extents. You can increase this extent as well manually. Okay, so it will increase the extent of your project basically. Now, so I told you in the previous class that in the next class I'm going to discuss about the staircases, right? Staircases. Okay, so this is level 2, and if you look at the staircase details, these are the staircase details. Tread is been given 300, riser has been given 135. Okay, whereas in the previous story, riser is 165. Now look for the another story. Here it is 135, and for the last story as well, it is 135. Now look for another story. It is 175, 165. So the details are being given. We are not given with any section, but the tread and riser details have been given. This is a staircase second. This one. This is detail 1, which has been given as here. And detail, this is the another staircase. So these two staircases we have to model. Okay. So now let us see how to model staircases. Okay.
सर पिछला वाला वीडियो शेयर नहीं किया था.
Yeah, yes, I have shared. I'll again share. If you did miss it, I'll again share it. Okay.
Last video you have shared, sir.
I think so. I think so. I will check once again. No problem. Right. Now, try to understand this. I will go to the, for actually, to create a staircase, you need to have the understanding in the plan as well as in the cross section. Okay. You need to cross check both the details which have been given. So I'll go to south elevation or maybe west elevation to check for the details. See, these are the details. Okay. First flight is going like this, second is going like this, and third is going like this. So the staircase is going in 3 flights, right? I have modeled this, but I will show you again. I will delete all these, right? So basically, you need to confirm the sizes as well, if you can confirm. This is 300, which has been given 300. This is okay, right? And check for the riser as well. This is 177. Maybe 177, 175. I may not be able to check it properly. Okay, 177. Right. So the staircases are starting from, this is level 1 to level 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6. up to level 6, right? So we need to model the staircases. No problem. I'll start from level 2 or level 1, wherever. This is my level 1. Okay. I'll delete this, right? And I will
Right.
bring my AutoCAD drawing here. Level 1 is 124850, right? 124850. This is level 1, correct? So I'll go to level 1 and insert my drawing in level 1. I will import CAD. I'm in this particular drawing which I'm working on. This I'll be having in downloads. I'll go to downloads and plan. This is the plan. I will go with the manual center selection and millimeters will be my unit. Open. I'm importing the CAD drawing basically here, right? So that I can model my staircase over here on level 1. That is why I am just importing the CAD drawing. It's taking more than the usual time. Yes, like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I will basically align these drawings, right? You know na align command, Alden, you know align command. If you want to
Yeah.
align something,
Yes, sir.
go to modify, select this align command, and first you need to select the line with which you want to align. Say for example, my grid is fixed here. Okay. So I have to align my AutoCAD drawing with this grid. So first I will select the grid and then AutoCAD drawing. Okay, no problem. Now this is my actual column. This is my actual column and this is my drawing column. So this is my actual, this is drawing. Something is wrong, I think. Control Z. Yeah, grid will be fine, na? This is grid. This is my drawing. Now it is perfectly aligned. Okay. You see all the columns are overlapped or superimposed, right? So this is level 1 plan. This is level 2. So at level 1, I will superimpose level 1. At level 2, I will superimpose level 2. At level 3, I will superimpose level 3. So and so forth, right? At each level, you need to superimpose the corresponding CAD plan. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने लेवल 1 पे लेवल 2 को सुपर इम्पोज कर दिया. You should be pretty much careful about that. This is 1248.85. Okay. This plan is 1248.85. उसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ level 1. See, level 1 is 1248.85. This is my level 1. That is why I have superimposed this particular level at level 1. Now, this is the staircase which I need to model. Okay, no problem. It is very easy, very simple. Just go to architecture tab on the top. Then you have model. You have circulation area over here. A tab, a panel for circulation area. Then you have staircase button over here. Just select the staircase. It will give you 2-3 options. There are 4-5 options which are inbuilt staircases: spiral, half spiral, center and spiral, L shape, U shape, right? And this is straight. So these are the options. If you want to have some, ready-made U shape, staircase, you can just select that and you can place this kind of staircase anywhere, just like this. Okay. If you want to have L shape, you can place L shape as well, just like this. Say, for example, we wanted to, had it been a situation, we wanted to have L shape, we can place like this. Okay, no problem. You want to have some spiral staircase, let's say how spiral case can be, this is kind of quite, this is kind of spiral staircase, right? Now, let us see what we have built. If we want to model a staircase, how can we build a staircase? Now go to 3D view and look for the staircases, what type of staircases we have built. See, this is spiral.
ये लेबल कैसे ले लिया?
The plan on which you are working, it will start from there and go to the next level automatically. Let's say you are working at level 2, it will start
Okay.
from level 2 and go to the next level by default, right?
It is taking height in automatic
Sorry,
itself only.
come again, come again. How it is taking
Staircase
height?
height.
Let's say I am working on level 1. अगर मैं level 1 पर काम कर रहा हूँ and I am putting staircase on level 1, so it will start from level 1 and will go to level 2 by default,
लेवल 2. ओके ओके.
right? समझ में आ रही बात?
यस. हाँ.
These are some ready-made kind of staircases which are readily available. But what if, let's say, हमें अपना कुछ customized, we need to prepare a customized staircase. Okay, so how do we gonna do that? Go to staircase and there is an option of run. See, this is a run. Okay, just by default it is selected. I'll go to, I will select run and I'll go to my drawing. I'll start just to follow my drawing. Okay, first flight is complete. You need to complete a flight by clicking starting point and end point. And again, you need to start from a second flight. Okay, until here, this is the second flight. Click here, then start from the next flight. Select for the midpoint. Where is the midpoint? This is the midpoint. Again, go for the third flight. Okay, and just click for the end point. Now, automatically by default, it has created a landing. See, until or unless you are not escaping the command, it will automatically add the flight. I started from this point and then I ended here, number of steps or tracks. Now I stopped here and then again I started from this point from 11 to 20. Okay. And then similarly, I started from 21 to 28. So by default, automatically it is creating a landing for me. Your staircase is ready. But if you are not pressing this finish button, that means your staircase is not ready. It is incomplete. You need to finish the button. You need to press this finish button. Until or unless you are not pressing this finish button, your staircase is not ready. So now I'm just gonna finish up this. Now your staircase is ready. You can go to the 3D view and look for this, whether it is ready or not. And let me delete all the staircases for you so that you can't get confused. Okay. See, this is your level 1. Understood? Is it making sense? right?
Yes, sir.
This is the back view. Sorry, this is the right view. Okay. Now, this is how we can add the staircase. Okay. Similarly, I'll go at level 2. Okay. At level 2, I also have these CAD drawings. I am again going to follow the same format. Okay. Same format. It is starting from this point, going from 1 to 10, and then 11 to 20, and then 21 to 29. Okay. Let me try again. Stair. I'm gonna go to stair and then gonna select this one. Okay. And we'll start from this point, right? I'll go like this. Okay. And then we'll start from this point. We'll go this like this, and then from this point to the till the last, right? And then press this finish button. Now go to 3D view. See, select this. It is perfectly fine. Okay. Aligning with your floor finish level. Similarly, this is also aligning with your floor finish level, right? Now, this is the way how you can add your what staircases. This is not enough for adding or creating staircases. Let me tell you. See, we had a difference of around how much? Uh, Let me tell you. This is 1253.35, and that was 1248. 1248.85, 1253.35. I'm just calculating the level difference. I'm just going to show you something. Okay. अगर आपकी height same है, so it will work for you. If you have a different height, ठीक है, तो you need to change the size of threads, like, or like, no, size of threads, no, but size of risers basically. Okay. I'll tell you how. Select this staircase which you have added. Go to the edit type options. First of all, you go to this drop down menu on the properties palette. यहाँ पर देखिए, ये properties palette में है. यहाँ पर you have 3-4 options: monolithic staircase, precast staircase, okay, industrial and assembly staircase, 190 mm maximum riser, 250 mm going. Okay, these are the types of staircase which are available. You can change your staircase. By default, it is kind of assembled staircase as of now. This is assembled staircase. Let's say I'm going to change this to monolithic staircase. Sorry, can't make stairs. Something is wrong. I'm selecting this. I'm going to I'm selecting this staircase from 2 to level 2 to level 3. Okay. And I'm going to change the type of this staircase as well. Let's see if it is happening or not. See, it has been changed. Now there is a difference between this and this. This staircase is assembled staircase. Okay. See, this is a assembled staircase. Whereas the ऊपर वाला is not assembled staircase. ये just concrete वाला है, देख रहे हैं? Aldrin and Naveed, this is a staircase
देख
which
रहे
is
हैं।
just concrete वाला, ठीक है? Whereas इसमें हमारे साथ में
ठीक।
just like जैसे wooden staircase होता है, it's like that. इसमें साइड में supports भी लगे हुए हैं, stringers बोलते हैं इनको, I think, ठीक है? तो ये टाइप ऑफ staircase हम ऐसे चेंज कर
हाँ।
सकते हैं यहाँ से. Okay, not only this, but let's say, for example, मैं आपको 3D में दिखा दूंगा, वहां पर you can understand very well. दिस इज द स्टेयरकेस व्यू। ठीक है, यहाँ से क्लियर है ना, यहाँ से दिख रहा है, इट इज विजिबल टू यू, राइट? If I make any
देख
changes, you will be able to understand. Right? This is the staircase. Now go to its properties. First of all, on the properties palette on the left hand side, you can see base level 2 level, top level 3 level. ठीक है ना? ये सारे इसके constraint हैं, you can control from here. ठीक है? उसके बाद desired number of risers 28, actual number of risers 30, actual riser height 171, एक्चुअल ट्रेड डेप्थ 300। ठीक है ना? यहां से आप इसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो। नाउ मैं बैक व्यू में जाता हूं एंड नॉट बैक व्यू, आई गो टू द साइड व्यू। अभी देखो इसमें हाउ मेनी स्टेयर केसेस आर देयर, आई मीन 30 स्टेप्स, डिजायर्ड नंबर्स आर 28 बट एक्चुअल नंबर ऑफ राइजर्स आर 30। ठीक है, ये एक ऊपर निकल रहा है यहाँ पर, दिख रहा है ये, वन इज अबव द
देख रहा है।
फिनिश लेवल। ठीक है, सो एक्चुअल में 28 होने चाहिए और एक्चुअल में आ कितने रहे, 30। तो मुझे यहाँ पर इसको डिक्रीज करना है। आई गो टू द प्रॉपर्टीज। ठीक है, आई गो टू द प्रॉपर्टीज, आई सेलेक्ट दिस staircase and I'll go to the properties of this staircase, edit type, these are the properties, maximum riser height 175, tread depth 280, मुझे रखना है 300। मैं यहाँ से चेंज करूंगा। ठीक है, उससे पहले मैं इसकी एक डुप्लीकेट कॉपी बनाऊंगा। मैंने आपको बताया था कि कभी भी आप बिना डुप्लीकेट कॉपी बनाए काम नहीं करेंगे। ठीक है, यू नीड टू ऑलवेज मेक अ डुप्लीकेट कॉपी, ओरिजिनल को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे। ठीक है, डुप्लीकेट एंड फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज फ्लोर 2 से फ्लोर 3 तक जा रहा है। ओके, एंड 300 ये रहेगा मेरा। ओके, 175 हाइट रखते हैं अभी, लेट्स सी क्या होता है। ठीक है, अब मुझे लेवल 2 में जाना है एंड आई नीड टू चेक। यहाँ पर लेवल 2 में 175 का मुझे राइजर चाहिए और ट्रेड चाहिए 300 का। ठीक है, यही मैंने अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज में चेंज किया है। मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, आई हैव सेलेक्टेड, आई हैव सेलेक्टेड द स्टेयरकेस, करेक्ट। नाउ 171, ओके, एंड desired number of risers 28, let me decrease or increase the staircases. See, I have reduced, I have increased number of risers. Okay, 29 मैंने बना दिए and now it is almost finishing with the floor level। दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, ये बिल्कुल फ्लश हो गया है
ठीक।
फ्लोर लेवल से।
हाँ।
देखो यहाँ पर Aldrin and Naveed, both of you, is it making sense for you?
ठीक। यस सर।
Right? तो आप इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज को, हाउ यू कैन कंट्रोल द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ योर स्टेयरकेस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू चेक कि what is the height of the riser। Okay, here it has been given 175 and tread is 300, you need to check them, and then when you go to the staircase, okay, you are going to model a staircase, you need to select a staircase, make an duplicate copy out of that and provide your own parameters, provide your own dimensions or your, you can say, input parameters over here। ठीक है, जब आप अपने पैरामीटर्स यहाँ पर देंगे तो वो एक्चुअल में जो आपको चाहिए वैसा स्टेयरकेस बना के देगा बाय डिफॉल्ट। हो सकता है वो आपका स्टेयरकेस प्रॉपर ना बनाए, तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट बेसिकली। अब लेवल 1 पे मैं वापस जाऊं तो यहाँ पर कुछ मेंशन नहीं है। ठीक है, बट लेवल 2 की जब ड्राइंग आप देखेंगे तो एल्ड्रिन देखो, तुम्हें तो ड्राइंग आती है ना, यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल, ये डाउन जा रहा है, दैट मीन्स दीज आर द डिटेल्स ऑफ लेवल 1, इट इज गोइंग डाउन, इट इज गोइंग अप। ये लेवल 2 से 3 की तरफ जा रहा है और ये लेवल 2 से लेवल 1 की तरफ जा रहा है, इजंट दैट? क्लियर है ये बात?
यस सर।
समझ में आ
अप
रही है ना ये
डाउन
बात?
लिखा हुआ है वैसे।
हाँ, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि
हाँ।
इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम 2 to level 1। तो 2 to level 1 में वी नीड टू मेक राइजर एज 150, ओके, एंड फ्रॉम level 2 to level 3 वी नीड टू मेक
हम्म
175। दैट इज वाई इफ यू कैन रिकॉल, अभी मैंने जब इसको चेंज करने की कोशिश की थी तो इसने मुझे कुछ एरर दिया था, ठीक है ना, दैट
हम्म
वाज थ्रोइंग एन एरर। मैंने इसको चेंज करने की कोशिश की, सी फ्रॉम हियर, मोनोलिथिक
हम्म
बनाने की कोशिश की, कांट मेक स्टेयर्स, राइट?
हम्म,
व्हाई? बिकॉज
हाँ हाँ
मैं इसको जब सेलेक्ट करता हूं तो इसमें 160 का राइजर है, वेयर एज हमें चाहिए 150। ओके, सो आई नीड टू चेंज द
हाँ। हम्म
input parameters. I'll go to edit type, okay, and then make a duplicate copy, floor
हम्म
1 to 2। मैं अपने याद के लिए इसको इस तरीके से नेमिंग कन्वेंशन दे रहा हूं, दैट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, हाउ यू गोना गिव देम नेमिंग, राइट? Maximum riser I want 150 mm in this case. Trad is 300, that is okay, right? Apply,
राइट।
okay, okay, no problem. I will make some changes. I will again select this and then select this and then make it monolithic. Okay, it is giving again some error. We need to understand why it is giving. So here the number of steps will be less, I believe. Uh, Ready? We'll make 29 number of, the actual riser height of chair is greater than the maximum riser height specified in the staircase. No problem. Okay, so 30. Okay, 41. Okay, now it is almost okay. Change it to monolithic. Again, can't make stairs. It is giving some error. Why it is giving some error? I don't know. And again, select this and desired number. Okay, go to here and count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 27. There are 27. Again, select and then 27. Okay, go to 3D. Okay,
ऑलमोस्ट एकदम।
again, I'm sharing another link. Okay, don't worry. I think I have already shared another link. Okay, just go there and attend with
हाँ
that link as well. 1845. Okay, documentation and then there. So yes, the problem was it is not making stairs here. Why is that? Maximum riser height. Okay, let me do it. 160. Now, what should I do? I need to have 28. Okay, and then monolithic as well. It is not making monolithic. Why is that? That I need to check. Otherwise, the level is okay. Level is almost fine. Okay, the level is okay. And here we
तो
see. Desired numbers are 28, actual numbers are also 28. Actual riser height is 160, actual tread depth is 300, right? Similarly, if, for example, I
Yes.
need to make a staircase over here, I am deleting this. Okay, I'm also deleting this, also this. Now I'll go to level 3. Just go to level 3. So this is level 3. Okay. This is the below staircase which is visible. Don't get confused कि यहाँ पर तो लगा हुआ है, ठीक है ना? This is just the confusion is कि नीचे में क्या है? Staircase है. For that reason you are looking at like this. Now I need to insert the file over here. Go to insert, import CAD. Okay, select the file and then manual center millimeter. This is okay. This is level 3rd. तो हमें इसके नीचे कौन सी ड्राइंग लगानी है? लेवल 3rd की लगानी है ऑब्वियसली, ठीक है ना? आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग दिस थिंग, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि कौन सी कहां पर लगानी है. सो यहाँ पर आई विल प्लेस level 3 drawing and I will follow the CAD drawings to make the staircase. That is it. This is what I want to tell you. Understood?
अपने 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 फ्लोर के लगाने हैं ना?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली exactly. जैसे मान लीजिए यू हैव 10 फ्लोर्स ना, तो 10 फ्लोर्स की
हम्म.
आपको अलग अलग. अगर तो आपके फ्लोर्स, इफ यू हैव सेम फ्लोर्स, देन देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी चेंज. बट व्हाट इफ योर फ्लोर्स आर चेंजिंग? ओके, जस्ट इट इज अ मैनुअल मेथड, वैसे जरूरत नहीं है हर बार,
हम्म.
बट मैं आपको जस्ट मैनुअल मेथड भी बता रहा हूँ इन केस यू हैव डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्लोर्स ना. सो हाउ यू डू दैट? तो हर फ्लोर पे हर फ्लोर की ड्राइंग आपको मैच करानी है, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू modify and then align. I will select horizontal grid first of all. I will align horizontally and then vertically. Perfectly fine. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, this is our staircase which we need to model. Here we need to have 165 tread. Okay, riser, sorry. So I'll go to architecture. I will select stair, no problem. And I'll go to edit type. First of all, I will select monolithic and then I'll go to duplicate. I'll make a duplicate copy. Floor 3 to 4. This is floor 3 to 4. Okay, and I need to keep 165. Okay, and this will be 300. No problem. Let us see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'll start from first first step. I'll go to until 9 step. Okay, and then we'll start from 11. We'll go to 20. Start from 21 and we'll go to 30, right? This is the staircase which I have just modeled. And then click the finish button. Okay, now go to 3D view. See, this is visible, no problem at all. But there is a problem. What is the problem? It is not going up to the where? It is not going up to the final
Until
level.
the floor.
Okay, it is not touching the final floor. Now select this and then actual number of rises 30, desired numbers are 31. Okay, so I'm just reducing one. Okay, and this is 166 now. We should have like 165. No problem. But let us see how it is going. Now it is perfectly fine, right? It is perfectly fine now. Okay, go to level 3 and select this and check. So इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम ये भी हो सकता है because these are the planning stage drawings. Aldrin, try to understand. Naved and Aldrin, Revit की कैलकुलेशन
Okay.
चांसेस ये हैं कि ऑलमोस्ट ओके होगी, ठीक है ना? बट सिंस दीज आर द प्लानिंग स्टेज ड्राइंग्स, तो इसमें मे भी हो सकता है राउंड ऑफ करके 165 लिख दिया है। अभी पूरी प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन जब आप करेंगे देखेंगे, इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि यहाँ पर 165 लिखा है बट एक्चुअल में वो 170 आएगा या 171 आ रहा होगा, ठीक है ना। बिकॉज ये जो कैलकुलेशन कर रहा है इसकी अपनी कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से it should have 29 numbers of, right, and with the height of 172.54, right। अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इफ यू कैलकुलेट विद योर मैनुअल कैलकुलेशन, 1263.15 is my level floor height minus 1258.15, this is 5 meter, okay। 5 meter में that means 5000 mm, if I divide this by 165 mm as per the drawing, so 30.30 steps आने चाहिए, ठीक है ना। मैं कहता हूँ 30 steps, ओके। 30 steps में अगर कहता हूँ 5000 डिवाइडेड बाय 30, सो मेरा जो स्टेप का हाइट आएगा वो आएगा 166.66, दैट मीन्स 167, राइट। तो 167 आएगा बट वहां पर 165 दिया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ ग्लिच, स्मॉल ग्लिच, हल्का सा एरर है। तो वो हमें प्लान करना है बेसिकली, व्हेन वी विल बी प्लानिंग, वी विल बी मॉडलिंग, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी डायमेंशन। आर यू गेटिंग मी, एल्ड्रिन? हमें अच्छे से
यस।
समझना पड़ेगा कि उसका एक्चुअल में थ्रेड राइजर कितना आ रहा है, देन ओनली रेविट विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट योर फ्लोर फिनिश लेवल, अदरवाइज वो कुछ ना कुछ एरर थ्रो करता रहेगा। अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
यस।
167 अगर इसको कर देता हूँ तो लेट्स सी क्या होता है। देखो अगर मैं नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स बढ़ाता हूँ वो छोटा होता चला जाता है, ठीक है ना। तो 29 मुझे रखना है बेसिकली, तब जाके वो एक्चुअल में और 172 के हिसाब से आएगा। सो दिस कैलकुलेशन यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मुझे कितनी कैलकुलेशन देनी, कितनी आनी चाहिए, ठीक है। दिस इज लेवल 3 to 4 हो गया, नाउ लेवल 4 to 5 वी नीड टू गो। आई विल गो टू लेवल 4 नाउ। लेवल 4 का प्लान देखेंगे, वहां पर ड्राइंग इंसर्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। इंसर्ट, इंपोर्ट कैट, प्लान, ओके। स्टेयर केस थोड़ा टिपिकल है, आपको थोड़ा इसका प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगी दोनों, ठीक है ना। इतना इजीली नहीं होता है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इसकी कैलकुलेशन। कभी कभी
जी
बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है तो
जी
आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, देन ओनली यू बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड राइजर, ट्रेड कैलकुलेशंस, स्टेप कैलकुलेशंस, ओके। हाउ टू ऐड द लैंडिंग, हाउ टू दिस इज लेवल 4, करेक्ट। लेवल 4 मीन, लेवल 4 मीन्स 1263.5,